In this example, we have two databases in Snowflake, SnowFlake Sample Data and MimamsuPro. In MimamsuPro, we have MyDB schema, which we will use to store datasets, analysis, and subset tables. And we'll map tables in TPCDH SF10 TCL as objects and lookup objects. For this example, we will map web sales table as a web sales data object, and we will add customer demographic lookup association to web sales, as well as household demographic association with web sales. So now let's start the application. Create a new data object relationship map. Select MyDB as my database space. I will select TPCDH SF10 TCL schema. First we'll create data object. Order number is the data object ID column. We'll create lookup associations. Customer demographic. Associate by means of demographic ID column. Associate with the web sales table with customer demographic key. Similarly, we'll create household lookup. If you look at the map, we have one data object and two associated lookup objects. If you select it, you can see the tables and columns of the data object as well as the customer demographic and household demographic tables. The map can also be exported as a file which can be shared with other team members who can import the map and create their own store. Go to the main menu, create a new store. Open the store. Create a new selection. So now we have on the left hand side web sales data object with customer demographic and household demographic attributes. So we create web demo selection. For that we select web sales net profit, and this example we select marital status demographic. We run the selection. So in this case, the data set will be created with 7 billion rows, so it gives us a prompt whether you want to create the data set or not. Even if you don't create the data set, when you do the analysis, or rather use the dataset tool to do the subsetting, it will use the entire result set or the data set. We select no. And run completely successfully. So now if you look at the data set, just create a data set of 1000 rows in the preview data set. Now if we do the analysis, it will use the entire 7 billion rows of dataset table. So if we create a profit by marital status, run the statistic. Run completed and saved in a table. You open it. So you say by marital status the total amount of profit. We can export the statistics table with metadata, as well as we can export the actual data set, which just has the preview of 1000 row with the metadata.